Hello and welcome to my YouTube video. Look what I've got again today, guys. I've got my oldest phone again, and what I've decided to do today is well, what I was gonna do I now have the charger in my hand for this phone, so I'm just going to check to see if this works. Okay, now I'm going to plug this into the socket, and then after that the video is going to start getting really good. This is a request, and it's silly that I'm doing it, but I suppose it's just a YouTube video. So okay, newsflash, we have power in this phone. There you go, charging. Just to prove, this clearly at the present time isn't water damaged. Look down. Okay, don't ask why I'm doing this now. So that's got a bit of water in, not much. Now, don't do this when you connect to the socket. So I'm turning the socket off and I'm going to remove the charger. Now the question was, after you've water damaged the phone, would a hairdryer fix it? Okay, so that's my hairdryer. Okay. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Take it out. Okay, now the inside of this is gonna be, I'd say, drenched. Yeah, it's gonna be absolutely soaking. So if I just get a little towel to dry off this water from my camera. Okay. Now this is still out, so yeah, I might be able to do this now. Can I not tweak them? No, I can't. Sorry about that. Anyways, just turn it down, this could be loud. And just got to always remember when you're doing something with a hairdryer, there should be a little button that says cool. You don't want it red hot or else you'll melt your phone. But this is absolutely drenched. So yeah, so I'm just going to give it a little 30-second test, and then we'll have a little check to see if it's worked or not. So as I said, this is an old phone, don't go trying this with BlackBerry. Now the question was, would the hairdryer fix it? I don't know how long you're willing to spend hair drying it. I don't know about you guys, but I normally use a hairdryer to dry my hair. But yeah, I suppose it's always worth a go. Just remembering this phone's not worth anything, so don't go trying this with a new brand new phone. Now I'm going to place the battery back in the phone. And the answer to your question, guys, was yes. Now, I read a little bit of information off the internet the other day. It was basically saying, should you use a hairdryer to fix your phone if it's been water damaged? I came across this little article that this person had wrote. He said only if you use it for a short period of time, and if it's got a little cooling button on, so you don't want to melt your phone, obviously. So I think it's just proved that he was right. So I'm going to say well done to that guy, and yeah, it did. Obviously you have to be quick to get it out of the water. Now I could leave my phone in there for half an hour and I'd be 100% that it'd never work again if the battery was in the phone. You just got to be aware, I suppose. So I think if you like, suppose if you water damage your phone, you think it's broken, you've got to get a new one, you might as well have a crack at things like that. Stick it in rice, drop it, not drop it, hair dry it, stick it in a red hot room, put it in the microwave. No, that was a joke, don't do that. So yeah, hair dryers can fix phones, is the point in this video. So it's possibly worth a crack at your own expense. So thanks for viewing, guys.